It's Narissa.
And Jared.
And we're the Parkhopbears.
And in today's video, we're going to do a fun Disney at home adventure. We're going to try to recreate a drink from Trader Sam's, the Baby Yoda drink.
Yay! It's also referred to as the child drink. We tried it at the Trader Sam's at Disneyland Hotel, and we really liked it, so we thought we would try to do a version at home.
Yeah, we actually shared a video of it when we had it at Trader Sam's, so make sure you check out that video to see what it was like at Disneyland. Of course, you can't go to Disneyland right now, but we're still going to have fun at home, and we're going to try to recreate it.
Yeah. Here we go.
Let's get started. Okay, so before we get started, we're going to go through some of the things you're going to need to make the Baby Yoda drink.
Yeah.
So let's start off with our equipment. You're going to need a martini glass.
Yes. You might be able to use a different glass too if you don't have a martini glass. It just might not have the same
look, but
it's still fun to make.
You can still use any glass that you have on hand. You're going to need we're going to use a shaker. You don't have to use a shaker. We're going to make sure it's cold for when we drink it. If you don't have a shaker at home, don't worry about it. You can just stir it.
Put some ice in it, stir it up, and then that should be fine.
You don't need like a shaker. Next up, and again, these aren't like 100% necessary. We're going to have a napkin that's going to be used to kind of dress up the martini glass.
Mm-hmm. You could use a paper towel or pretty much any napkin. We tried to get one, like we have some that are kind of brownish, recycled ones.
And then we have a couple toothpicks. We're going to need those for his eyes. Mm-hmm. We've got a couple fun toothpick holders, also known as shot glasses.
Yeah, measure out our ingredients.
Measure our ingredients. Now we're into the actual food ingredients. We've got some cherries.
Yes. We have, the ones that we have are the maraschino.
Yeah, we have fancy cherries. You don't need fancy cherries. Use whatever kind of cherries you want.
But these are really good if you ever
see them. Next we have a giant lime.
It's big.
Yeah, it's a big lime.
It doesn't have to be giant.
No, we're gonna cut it anyway, so it doesn't need to be this big.
This is gonna be his ears.
And now the probably the most important ingredient to get the color just right is the Midori. You can use any kind of green liqueur, kind of green melon liqueur. You don't have to have like the name brand Midori. There's a lot of different versions of this that are just kind of, it's usually like melon liqueur or melon schnapps maybe, but just something green. And of course it doesn't have to be alcohol either. Just anything green will do. And then last we have sweet and sour mix.
Yay!
And this one, again, we have Rose's sweet and sour mix. You can use whatever kind. There's a million different kinds of this. I feel like you could probably use margarita mix.
Yeah.
It's pretty similar. You would probably be just fine with this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then if you have a porg,
make sure your porg's around for the big part where you actually make
get
it.
to have it.
Oh yeah, he doesn't actually want to make it. He just wants to drink it. All right, so now we're gonna put this all together. Here we go. Okay, so first I'm gonna make his robe, and I think they kind of wrinkled it, didn't they?
Yeah, he's got, it's a little bit.
I'm gonna crumple it up.
Okay.
I don't know. Maybe that was too crumpled.
I think it's good. He's got kind of a crumpled robe.
Now you can use a rubber band, or we just have a twist tie we're gonna use. Like kind of put his robe on here. Okay. So it's gonna look something kind of like that. Like, that's kind of robe-like, isn't it?
Yeah.
All right.
I think it works.
That works. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and get started on the drink. So I have my shaker. I went ahead and filled it with ice. Put it on my coaster. I have my 2 toothpick holders. Oops. 2 toothpick holders. So I'm using the official Midori website, Midori Sour recipe. We're pretty sure that's what it was. It might not be exactly what it was. We don't really know for sure.
Close enough.
Yeah, close enough. So I'm pouring out equal parts Midori and equal parts of my sweet and sour mix. So here's my Midori I'm going to do now. So just equal parts. I think it said 2 ounces on the website. Sounds about right. Since these are toothpick holders and not standard shot glasses, I'm not quite filling them all the way up. These toothpick holders are a little strange. So here's my sweet and sour. Here's my green Midori. Hey, Mickey. Gonna put that in. Gonna give it a quick shake. Open. And I'm going to strain it in there. It's going to look kind of neon green. Maybe you could. That looks good. That's enough.
It's very green.
It's the right color. So now we're going to do his eyes and his ears. Sue. Grab our cherries. First, I'm going to kind of set up the limes.
So we cut the lime into...
We cut the lime into quarters.
So now he's got ears.
So here's his ears. So the way we saw it is they had kind of stabbed. That doesn't sound good, does it? Stabbed his eyes.
Stabbed his ear?
So there's one eye. Now it's floating a little, so I feel like I could have put a little more liquid in here.
Might be able to adjust it.
Yeah. So I don't know if you can see what I'm doing. Uh-oh, I'm dripping cherry juice in there. It's going to change the color. Trying to give it a little bit of distance there. Now, I've had a lot of trouble there. I don't know. That is no longer seem to be working. There we go.
Okay. So let's see from the front.
Oh, I got a little bit on his. I got a little bit on his outfit there.
Huh, he looks like Baby Yoda.
A little bit. Here, let's...
I think Porg approves.
Yeah, Porg's very nice.
Make it a little more green.
We're going to just try to top it up a little more. So, maybe a little more than 2. Well, it depends on what size your glass is, and then what size... I think they maybe had longer toothpicks, too.
Oh, they did. They did have bigger ones.
Yeah, they just did it a little better. So, just trying to cover his eyes a little bit better. How's that?
It's pretty good. I think we just need to push his eyes forward.
Yeah, let's see.
There we go, yeah. Because they were a little far back before.
Yeah, this one didn't turn out so well. Oh, that's not too bad.
That's pretty good.
Yeah. Except for the part where he got his robe dirty. But I mean, Baby Yoda always had a dirty robe.
Yeah, it always looked kind of dirty.
Okay, so
here is what we created. Ta-da!
Yay!
Baby Yoda. I think it looks like Baby Yoda. It's got his eyes.
Yeah.
His ears. His robe. He's green. I think it's Porg approved.
Yay, porg.
Yay.
Okay,
I
so...
think we'll have to taste it.
Yeah, let's try it. I don't know how this is going to taste at all. I'll just go ahead. Since I'm the one who made it and kept adding to it. And sure. You're making it more for the fun of how it looks than how it tastes.
It's not bad.
No, it's not terrible.
It's sweet.
That was the official Midori Sour recipe from the Midori website. I'll go ahead and show you that to you guys so you know I didn't just make it up. But yeah, maybe if you're a Midori Sour fan, maybe it's alright. I don't know.
Yeah, it's not too bad. Good. It kind of tastes like the one we had at Trader Sam's.
Yeah, a little bit.
A little bit.
There he is. Actually, he doesn't. Baby Yoda doesn't talk really. He just kind of makes noises.
He does his hand thing.
Yeah. Yay!
Yeah, so it's kind of a fun drink to make if you're gonna watch The Mandalorian on Disney Plus. Yeah, we'll have to we've already watched the whole season, but maybe
I think we'll probably rewatch
an episode tonight.
Yeah, I think that'll be fun.
Our Baby Yoda drink.
Yay!
Yay! We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you give this recipe a try, let us know. We'd like to hear how it goes.
We are on Instagram if you want to send us pictures.
Yeah.
It's Parkhopbears. Check us out on Instagram. Send us pictures of ones you guys make at home. We want to see them.
Yes, please. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel. We do post lots of Disney videos and more. We'll be posting more Disney at home videos as well, so make sure you click subscribe. And we'll put the recipe and ingredients in the description also, so
yeah.
That way you don't have to try to jot everything down.
Right.
Thanks for watching.
Bye. Bye.